Congratulations, KLEEN. Consumers and businesses in your city have selected your business as the 2021 Consumer Choice Award recipient in the category of janitorial services in the Kingston region. As a Consumer Choice Award winner, you are now a part of an exclusive group of companies recognized as one of the best businesses in Canada. Consumer Choice Awards, founded in Montreal in 1987 with the purpose of recognizing business excellence, which they accomplish in 28 cities across Canada, recognizing and promoting over 1,200 companies each year. First of all, I want to acknowledge and thank my incredible Lord Jesus, who over a decade ago spoke to me and encouraged me to start this amazing growing company. We have had the privilege of helping, serving, and creating a clean, safe, and refreshing atmosphere for so many people over these years. The truth is that we could not have accomplished this award without an amazing team performing with consistent excellence. So I sincerely thank each of you on our team that have cared for our vision and our customers. And on behalf of our team, we want to thank each and every one of you who have voted for us to receive this award. We really appreciate it, and we're very grateful.